So this is a Yamaha TTR230 2007 model. Now one of the problems I've encountered when trying to start it is a faulty starter relay. So the engine won't turn over when I hit the electric start button. So this is electric start only, there's no kickstart. So I'm going to show you how to test that it is a faulty starter relay and then how to replace a faulty starter relay. The starter relay lives behind this panel here. So the first step to get to the starter relay is to remove this panel. So now with the cover off, you can see the starter relay, which is this guy right here. The easiest way I've found to test this starter relay is to bypass it, which basically just means shorting these two wires out here. So first step is turn the ignition on. And then it's just a case of using something metallic to short out these two terminals. So I'm going to use these pliers, which work pretty well. So now we've confirmed that the starter relay is faulty, we can pull the old one out and put the new one in. All right, so we're just going to turn the ignition back off. But the next step is to disconnect the battery. So the easiest way I find is first to disconnect these two terminals. And then because this cable's a bit of a pain to get off, I find it easier to slide the whole relay out. It's just a case of pulling this connector off. So now let's put the new relay in. So you can see the two plastic tabs where the starter relay sits. The top one and the bottom one. Those slot into the rubber cutouts and the rubber base on the starter relay. So just be careful that they both slot in. It's very easy to miss the bottom one. So now we can plug the cable back in and then we can reconnect the two wires. And then to finish off, just slide the rubber boots over. Now we'll reconnect the battery. Now with the ignition back on, the bike should start. So now it's just a case of putting your cover back on and you're all done. So of your 3 bolts, the slightly larger bolt goes on the back. So thanks for watching. If you have any comments, let me know.